there's something happening in the Amazon KDP space over the next 12 to 18 months that I've never seen in the 10 years I've been publishing books, the type of opportunity that's coming for self-publishers like me and you. I wanted to take a second. I just filmed a video on this in more detail for my main channel that should be up shortly, but I wanted to just take a second and talk about the things that I didn't talk about on the main channel in this video, and just why this opportunity is something you don't want to miss. Whether you're starting self-publishing or you're considering it, that's even more important for you right now, or you're already doing it. This is the best time to be getting into this business, because there's certain things that are happening in it right now that most people aren't even aware of that are happening, that is going to allow you to lock in money, royalties being paid from Amazon month after month for the next years to come. And people who get into this business, even like 6 months down the road from this, 12 months down the road from this, it's going to be substantially harder for these people to come in and make the type of money that you're going to be able to make right now. So let's talk about what's happening. One, AI is just growing at such a rapid pace. AI has removed the barrier of entry for everybody. It used to be that you had to spend, $500 if you were super cheap, but like $1,000 or $1,500 to break into this business on ghostwriters, on covers, on editors, on formatters. AI has replaced all of that and brought the cost to get into this business to next to nothing. That means you are now competing with people who can get into this business that were never able to get into this business before. And that's massive for so many people around the world. I love that. But then also, the demand for ebooks, paperbacks, and audiobooks has never been higher than it is right now. Like, it's absolutely insane how fast these three markets are growing. And not just on Amazon, but everywhere. Like, there's people making 7, 10, 15 grand a month right now with audiobooks on Spotify. That was something that was unheard of just a number of years ago. So these markets are expanding so quickly. And then this is probably one of the most important ones. And unless you're a person like myself, who makes YouTube videos on this, you probably don't understand that this is happening. So let me paint the picture. From about 2019 to 2023, there was a company called publishing.com, fucking juggernauts in this space. And at the high point of their time, they were spending $1 million a month on ads. $1 million a month on ads to bring people into the self-publishing space. Now, what did that do? Well, that brought in a stupid amount of competitiveness. There were people joining this space that would never have thought twice about publishing books on Amazon to make money. So we just made so much more competition, and it flooded Amazon with so many more books, making it a little bit more challenging, or just making it more competitive for everyone else. But I love the saying that, a rising tide, what's the saying? A rising tide raises all ships. Incoming tide raises all ships. Yeah, rising tide raises all ships. We can say that's the saying. But that's exactly what happened, right? The reason, they were spending that money, and then people like Sean, Barry, Peter, all the other course creators in the space, they all got the overflow from publishing.com, right? All of their views and everything went up. And that's what I mean by the rising tide raises all ships. I really should have looked up that phrase before I did this, but it's extra mecca. I just kind of do this off the cuff. When P.com shut down last year, all of that money stopped flowing. Everything stopped. and all of the interest tanked on the Amazon KDP space. The interest in publishing books tanked, not the customer demand for books. And so as the interest tanked, fucking sky nosedived, customer demand for books has continued to increase. So there's way less people coming into the space right now, and the demand is still creeping up, exploding. And this is a thing, and then you have AI, which is better than ever right now to write books, make covers, do your A+. Like it can do so much for a fraction of the cost compared to a couple years ago. And so with all of this happening, we're able to get into niches like chair yoga. We're able to get into a niche like chair yoga now that we weren't able to get into a couple years ago because it was just stupidly competitive and everybody was getting in there. But what's another really cool thing, and I talked about this in my other video, was Alex Harper, chair yoga books. She's dominated the space, or he, we don't know who it is, has dominated the chair yoga space for the last couple years, right? But what's cool is their books were made with early AI. They're really crappy AI. AI is so much better now. And now when I do searches on Amazon for that particular niche, her books are not showing up as much. There are new books that are quickly climbing the ranks that have better looking covers now, that are more modern, are better written. And those are the books that you can start producing now to get into niches that you couldn't really get into a couple years ago. And that's really, really, really cool. But here's the important thing about the next 6 to 12 to 18 months. Myself, the other guys are starting to spend money on ads. We're starting to spend a lot more money on ads to grow our business, to bring more people in to our programs. So those of you starting now though, you get the advantage because you're able to solidify your spot on the Amazon dashboard. You're able to protect yourself. Super high quality book, a crap ton of reviews. We haven't even touched on reviews. Like 10 years I've been doing this, I've never seen it so easy to get reviews on my book as of right now, right? Sure, there might be a little cost investment in it as well, but if the book production cost has dropped to pretty much zero, I don't care if I have to spend a bit more money to get reviews right now. It doesn't matter, it kind of zeroes it out. So low cost for production, super, super easy to get reviews, and way less competition than ever before with an increased demand on Amazon for pretty much all niches right now. This is like the perfect storm. This is not gonna last forever. This is gonna last like, I don't know, 6, 12, maybe 18 months is probably pushing it. So if you're ever considering to get started, this is the time to get started. We are making faster advancements with how to create our books, how to get better covers, how to lower costs and increase quality, how to get better reviews. It's just such a great time in the business. Such a great time in the business. And you know, I remember back in like 2016, we used to talk about like the golden days when you could spend like $50 to write a book, $5 to get a cover and everything. But here's the thing. In the golden days, we weren't having publishers making $100,000 a month outside of the holiday season. That was just non-existent back in the day. But there's multiple people doing 6 figures a month now outside of the holidays. $50K a month is the new $10,000 month. Like a 10K month is solid, but a 50K month, all right, you know what you're doing now. Like, and that's just boom, 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 boom. It seems like there's a new publisher hitting 50K a month, like every little bit. Guys, when I started, that was just unheard of. That was just not how we did things. But it's just so much better now. And so if you're struggling, I don't want you to be complaining about, oh no, why? It's so hard. It's not hard. You just got to kind of level up a couple skills, so it's a lot easier for you. But, and I wasn't going to talk about like resources and how much easier it is with different resources it is now, but you know, 3-day challenge shows you how to publish a book in 3 days, and that's totally free. Like, that shit wasn't available back in the day, right? You can learn how to do everything from A to Z for free. Like, that wasn't available back in the day when K Money Mastery was running the space. There weren't things like this. There's more people on YouTube talking about the strategies that are working for them and their students than ever before. That wasn't the case back in the day. There's probably like 4 or 5 of us right now that constantly upload YouTube videos. Back in the day, there was 2. That was it, right? Stefan and Big Luca. That was it. There was nobody else. So it's so much easier to succeed. It's so much easier to find out the information that you want to find out today than ever before. So anyways, if the more detailed, thought out video on this topic is up on the main channel, it might be, if not, it'll be up there in a day or 2. Please go check that out, but leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Are you brand new? Are you just getting started? Have you been doing this for a while? Especially if you've been doing this for a while, what have you noticed, right? What have you noticed? What changes have you noticed over the last little bit? But guys, I'm telling you, especially with my own coaching business, right? We're starting to really ramp things up. And that means there's going to be a lot more people coming into this space. So this is the best time for you to get started in this and secure your place on Amazon so you can become one of the juggernauts in 2026 in the self-publishing space. So, all right, that's all I got.